Believe in the spirit. Trust.
Ever since we were dating, I thought I could be someone you could really trust. Whenever I be hitting hoes after the shows, I be stressing about breaking your trust. The problem is I can't trust, and my guts up high over what happened in their past. I'm really messed up, seem as if I won't stop heading you over this last. Damn, blame it on trash. One when they be hitting me, I'm falling too fast. Like a bad student, whenever they be last to me, I really can't pass. And my guts up high, I really didn't even have to blow Mother Nature. Now your guts up high, cause you gave me a heart that I feel to nature.
Love is nothing without trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. When tempted by lust, we tend to break our trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. Love is nothing without trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. When tempted by lust, we tend to break our trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do.
Too skeptical of love, cause it only brought me pain. Misled by my heart, now I only trust my brain. Given my ex is more than I ever gave myself. For short arrows to my heart, which are hard to preordain. I was disloyal to you for a fear you might hate me. Couldn't trust you though you showed me that you love me. You tried to fix me, only you became a fix. You can't fix the broken glass without the risk of getting cut. Now my sharp edges are the reason why your heart bleeding. You loved me but I wasn't breathing what you're breathing. Eve succeeding to my serpent got you hurting. Now you've got a right to ban me out of Eden. My disloyalty only bred distrust. Nowadays you look at me with disgust. I guess my inability to trust to your heart, it's only caused quite a thrust.
Love is nothing without trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. When tempted by lust, we tend to break our trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. Love is nothing without trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do. When tempted by lust, we tend to break our trust. And when we fall, at the end of the day, we'll get back up, it's all we do.